What do you do for a living is a question people often aren't sure how to answer, as their work may encompass multiple identities. So how do people decide which labels to claim when answering in casual social situations? By studying how 29 entrepreneurs responded to the question, researchers found that most people resisted claiming the label of entrepreneur, instead drawing upon 3 sets of labels that were either role-based, occupation-based, or self-effacing. Answering the role-based labels situated people in their work or venture. When asked, they might detail their position at the company, such as a business owner, CEO, or president. They might also get more specific, saying things like, I run a healthcare business, or I have a childcare startup. But entrepreneurs also use labels involving simple occupational affiliations. They might say, I'm a designer, or I'm a pharmacist. Rather than go into detail about their current enterprise, they spoke more broadly about their skill set or a past profession. Others were more coy in their descriptions and used self-effacing labels that downplayed their roles in their organizations. For example, despite being the owner of a car wash chain, an entrepreneur might say, I work at a car wash startup and sometimes wash cars, deflecting his or her role as an owner. Across most cases, people were reticent to use the label entrepreneur, finding it to be too broad or too easily misconstrued. Wonder about the complexities of responding to the question, what do you do for a living? If so, you may want to read this paper.